video, I want to show you the best strategy for day trading. Okay, you all know that I'm a swing trader, but in this video, I want to show you the best and the perfect day trading strategy. And in recent times, I've been using this strategy to make a lot of money. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to my computer screen and let me show you. Meanwhile, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe. If you don't feel like subscribe, at least try and like the video. So let's go to my computer screen. So let's start with, okay, let me show you the best strategy basically for day trading. Okay, so what you need to do basically, okay, is that you need to come to higher time frame first, because you need to start your analysis from higher time frame. All right, so let's start from weekly time frame. You can start from monthly time frame, but for day trading, I always like to start from weekly time frame. If I want to swing trade, okay, even on if I want to swing trade, I can start my analysis from monthly time frame. I can start it from weekly as well, but in this case, let's just start from weekly so that we can understand the general direction of the market. Okay, so now this is on a weekly time frame. When I say general direction, I'm not talking about like now. If you look at this particular move from here, this particular move from here to this place, okay, if you look at it on a lower time frame, let's say 4 hour, you are going to see a trend, okay, and that is going to be a bearish trend, right? That's a trend here, as you can see, downward trend, as you can see. If I make it, let me make it bigger so that you can see what I'm trying to say. You can see the market going down. This is a bearish trend. So now, for you not to be caught up in this type of trend, for you to know the major direction, major in quotes now, the major direction of the market, you have to come to higher time frame so that you understand the major direction and you will not capitalize on all this tiny or small movement that happens within just short period of time. Okay, it's not that you can't take trade, this type of trade, but it is better to look or to trade in the direction of the major direction, like to trade in the major direction. So, and that is exactly what you are doing on higher time frame. So you come to weekly time frame so that you can better understand that. Okay, so let me remove this. And okay, so the major direction of this trend is what is bullish. As you can see, is bullish. You can see the market making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, let me pick this. So you can see the market making higher highs, higher lows, 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 higher highs. Then we have this deep retracement to this particular level, which is the bearish movement that we saw. So now what do you expect? Some kind of higher highs again. So now that we know that we are expecting a momentum to the upside, and that is exactly what you want to be looking out for. That is exactly what you want to capitalize on. You want to be looking for buy opportunity into this particular long movement, because this is going to at least get to this particular level. This particular level here is going to get to this particular level. That is the worst case scenario in this case. So, and it could actually break above and then retrace just like as the way it has been moving, then continue the higher highs, because this is a bullish market, right? So now that you understand that, you want to be looking for buy opportunity, but you still need to come to other time frame so that you can better see the structure. So you can come to daily time frame now. Okay, so when you come to daily time frame, as you can see, this is the pullback that happens due to tariff, and as you can see, the market has started pushing back to the upside from here, start from here, then push up, retest this particular neckline, this particular support level, and then push to the upside. So when you do that, then you come to daily 4-hour time frame so that you can look for a area where you can actually enter the market. Okay, so now if you look at this particular area very well, you see that the market actually break above, okay, form double bottoms, our major price action pattern, break above, retest, and then try to push up but got rejected again, then come down. So after the price closed back into this particular neckline, this particular support zone, which I show from the higher time frame to as we have been watching this stuff, that is an opportunity to buy. Okay, so buy into this particular support area, resistance area, which is this area. So you want to make sure you pay attention to every resistance if you are day trading, but this is on 4 hours, so we are not going to enter on 4 hour. It's going to be on daily time frame, but you know that this area is a good entry for you. So you come to 1 hour now that you understand that. So you can see after the market pull back and then this next red candle, you can see on 1 hour, which is going to be our entry time frame, the market pull up and then retrace back into that support level. After this red candle, then you take your entry and then you can hold it to this particular level. All right. So after that is done, this retracement is another avenue to actually take the trade, which I actually did. Okay, then as soon as this particular resistance, which I showed you on 4 hour, got broken and got retested, it's an opportunity to buy. Every retracement is going to be a buy opportunity for you, because we are looking for buy to the upside. So as a day trader, you want to also make sure that you take your profit along the way. Then even when there is retracement, you take it again when there is retracement. However, there's another thing I want to show you, which is another form of confirmation for me, and is a very powerful tool that I use for day trading. So let me just turn it on here. Okay, so you can see this particular line. This is not a moving average. It is not a moving average. And I don't know if I'm going to upload this video before. Definitely I will upload this video before I upload the video where I talk about this indicator. This indicator is called VWAP, volume and weighted average. So this indicator is actually very, very powerful, very, very powerful. You will discover that when the price came back to retest that particular support level, it is also testing. I say moving average. It's also testing that indicator. It's not moving average. It's called VWAP. It's also testing this particular indicator. So which is a very strong confirmation that there is volume around here. Okay, not only volume, this is also the average price that people are buying this particular asset. The indicator is so powerful. I'm going to tell you more about the indicator later. You will discover that after that particular retest, you can see the candle that forms after, very bullish green candle, and then you can see the shoot up after that happens. In fact, it was a jump. The price jumped to this particular level. So that indicator is actually very, very, very interesting. Now, if you look at the pullback that happened here, apart from the fact that I used trend line, you discover that it was after the price broke that moving up that indicator, the green indicator, and retest it. You can see that red candle retest. Even if it doesn't wait for retest, even if it doesn't, as soon as you see candle breaks above that indicator, you want to take a buy position, and which I did. So if you look at this one too, the market didn't actually break before I took an entry, but if you wait for it to break above, you can actually take a buy position, or you wait for retest. As you can see that after the candle came back to retest, that red candle came back to retest that indicator, the market starts going up from there. So that is an interesting way to trade or to day trade. If you can just master this act, if you can repeat this video again and again and try to understand. So in my subsequent video, in my next video, basically I will be talking about this indicator so that you understand how it works, how to set it up, and how to use it in your day-to-day trade. Okay, it's a very powerful tool. So this is how you day trade. Okay, so I believe this video is helpful. If there's anything you don't understand, please put it down in the comment section. I will get to it. If you are interested in taking my mentorship class, check my bio and send me a message. You'll see my Telegram link. Send me a message. So see you in my next video.